Yes, a clogged catalytic converter can indeed be a contributing factor to a single-cylinder misfire, though it's a bit of an indirect cause. When your catalytic converter gets clogged, it essentially creates a bottleneck in your exhaust system. This means that the exhaust gases your engine is trying to expel can't get out as efficiently as they should. The result? Back pressure builds up in the system. Here's where it gets specific to the misfire issue. That increased back pressure can lead to changes in the engine's exhaust dynamics. In some cases, especially if your vehicle is a bit on the older side or has a delicate engine balance, this can disrupt the flow enough to specifically affect one cylinder more than the others. However, it's critical to approach this diagnosis with caution. A single-cylinder misfire can be caused by a plethora of other issues as well. Things like a faulty spark plug, a failing ignition coil, clogged fuel injectors, or even low compression in that particular cylinder. Each of these potential causes has its own set of symptoms and diagnostic steps. So, while a clogged catalytic converter could be the culprit, it's a bit like saying the butterfly effect can cause a storm. Yes, it's possible, but there are many other, more direct causes to rule out first. That said, if you've noticed a loss of power, a decrease in fuel efficiency, or a rattling noise from the exhaust, common signs of a clogged catalytic converter, alongside the misfire, it's definitely worth checking into. Living in Portland, Oregon, where we're surrounded by all sorts of terrains from mountains to the coast, I've seen my share of vehicles suffering from these issues due to the varied driving conditions. Routine maintenance is your best defense against such problems. Regularly checking your vehicle's health not only prevents such issues but also keeps you safer on the road. If you suspect a clogged catalytic converter or any issue with your vehicle, my advice? Get it checked by a professional. They can run the necessary diagnostic tests to pinpoint the exact cause of the misfire. Drive safely.